But we couldn't have prayed and gone away without christening the center. And in this respect, I will speak 2 languages. If you don't give the center a name, those who attend to the center may be thinking they can give it a name. And if we are not careful, we shall be using Her Excellency's name for the center, or the Rebecca Foundation for the center. I have done, it couldn't have been Achimamenu. I have done some consultation with the foundation, as well as the chair and the board of Kofanochi Teaching Hospital, and wholeheartedly, Her Excellency, Auntie Rebecca, indicates that she will be so happy, and she's very passionate about it, that we give the name as she pronounces it. And the name for the facility should be Nana Afia Kobi Serwaa Ampem the second center. This is coming out of the facilitation and the love she and her husband have for Tumfo and Lady Julia. And so I come for your mamma and said, "Ya oh, ban it or to dinner." Yeah, Mampanini, Ire, and Rebecca, on one young fita, or the onam dra on your kunu bewoma, Santimani. Nana say true, any Neire, Julia. On your dream beyond fan to center ho. Say young Fanyan Kadum, Emma Nahima Sebi, and Yan Baby Ko. Enti Nakumam, young fast center no, and true Nana Afia Kobi Serwaa Ampem the second center. Mesdames, merci beaucoup.